Hi, this is Grant Bynum from Uptown 101, and today we're going to be talking about the Ruth Street Flats. This is a great apartment that's in an awesome section of Uptown Dallas, and what we're about to do is actually take a self-tour inside so that you can see what the apartment looks like and the amenities that are here for you and just get the vibe of the area. So we're taking the tour so that you don't have to. Also, we're going to walk around before we ever take the tour, and I want to give you just a little vibe about the area so you can see just what a great location this is. If you look across the street, we're here on Ruth Street, so it's called Ruth Street Flats, right? So we're here at Ruth Street. Across the street is Kung Fu Saloon. That's a great place to get some drinks. It's a nightclub. And then if you go this way a little bit more, there's some other nightclubs and restaurants that I would kind of consider more inner Uptown. So it's not the ones that are on McKinney Avenue. McKinney Avenue that's what a lot of people think of as Uptown, but then there's this intersection, and this intersection is a very cool section, and that's one of the attractions that are here. If you keep going up Ruth Street, if you keep going that way, just about 2 or 3 blocks, you get to McKinney Avenue. So you've also got walking access to McKinney Avenue, and that gets you into a lot of the restaurants and nightclubs that are there. Now, if you go this direction, literally about a block, just on the other side of the Ruth Street Flats, and then about another, half block more, down there is the Katy Trail. So you've got super quick access to the Katy Trail. And by the way, the Katy Trail Ice House is just right down there too. So that's a super popular, amazing area, amazing restaurant and club all rolled into one, all outdoors. And you can go enjoy some great times there. You can hit the trail for exercise and then end it at the Katy Trail Ice House. So great area. But here is the Ruth Street Flats. It's recently built, so it's going to look good inside. It's nice. It's to me kind of a really chill area. It's a good, fun, walkable area. It's not right by, like 5 nightclubs, for example, and I kind of prefer that. I like it that you can get some sleep at night, so you're not right by a lot of noise, but man, you can walk to it super quickly and then leave it when you want to. So this is the vibe of the area, and now what we're going to do is we're going to walk inside and check out Ruth Street Flats.